Today, I'm going to be making a Palak Chole recipe. This makes a very easy and comforting meal. So let's see how. I have here about half a cup of chole or chickpeas that I've soaked for 6 to 7 hours. Add in a bay leaf, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 cups of water. Pressure cook this for about 4 to 5 whistles on low heat. Once the water starts to boil, I have here about 2 bunches of spinach. That would be about 4 cups of spinach leaves. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Let's remove them from the hot water. Squeeze out a little bit of water and now remove it in some iced water. Once the spinach cools down completely, drain it out from this ice water and grind it into a puree. Let's check on the chole. They're beautifully cooked and it has a nice yellow color from the turmeric as well. The chickpeas, the spinach puree and all the other ingredients are ready. Let's put everything together and complete this dish. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of oil, some cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2 pieces of cinnamon and 2 cloves. Finely chopped onions. Give it a mix. Once the onions are golden brown, add in a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Next, add in 2 tomatoes finely chopped. Salt to taste. 1.5 teaspoon of chole masala. 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix all these ingredients together. Cover and let this cook till the tomatoes are nice and soft. Open it and cook it for a minute without the cover. Mash the tomatoes. Add in a tablespoon of tamarind paste. This is optional, but it adds an extra zing to this recipe. The gravy base is ready. Let's add in the spinach puree. You can rinse the blender and add the water as well. Bring the puree to a boil. Keep mashing the tomatoes if you need to. And at the end, add in the boiled chickpeas. Give it a good mix and let it boil for 2 minutes. For some final touches, let's add some ginger juliennes and turn off the flame. This Palak Chole is ready. Let's plate this. This recipe is super easy, delicious. Serve it with parathas of your choice or even bhatura. Trust me, you're going to enjoy it. Do subscribe to Rajshri Food, comment below, and this is Chef Ruchi signing off. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.